In this exercise, we'll add and simplify 7/10 plus 19/100 plus 31 thousandths. Before we can add fractions, we must have a common denominator. Looking at the fractions, the denominators are 10, 100, and 1,000. They are not the same number, so we need to find the least common multiple of 10, 100, and 1,000. Before we start any procedure for finding a least common multiple, let's look at the numbers and see if the largest number, 1,000, is a multiple of the other two numbers. It is, so we know right from the beginning that 1,000 is the least common multiple, which will become the common denominator of the fractions. So we want to write 7/10 with the denominator of 1,000. In order to do so, we multiply by 1, and we choose the form for 1, 100 over 100, so that when we multiply denominators, we will have a denominator of 1,000. We rewrite 19/100 with a denominator of 1,000 by multiplying by 10 over 10. And 31 over 1,000 already has a denominator of 1,000. When we multiply fractions, we multiply numerators and multiply denominators. So 7/10 times 100 100ths is 700 over 1,000 plus 190 over 1,000 plus 31 over 1,000. Now that we have a common denominator in each of the three fractions, we can add the numerators. 700 plus 190 plus 31, all over the common denominator, 1,000. And adding the numerators, we get 921 over 1,000. Now we do need to simplify, and to simplify we would factor the numerator, factor the denominator, and we would find in this case that there are no common factors. So this is the simplified form of the sum.